Welcome back, viewers, to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special in store for you, the best 2T skeleton costume you'll find anywhere. That's right, we're talking about the Children's Place Baby, Toddler, 2-piece and Kids, sibling matching, Halloween pajama sets. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about why this costume stands out from the rest. First and foremost, it's all about quality. Crafted from 100% cotton, these pajama sets are not only soft and comfortable but also durable, ensuring your little one can wear them again and again without any wear and tear. But what really sets this costume apart is its attention to detail. Just take a look at the glow-in-the-dark skeleton design. Whether it's on the front of the top or the pants, this spooky feature adds an extra element of fun to your child's Halloween festivities. And let's not forget about the fit. Available in size 2T, these pajama sets are designed to perfectly suit toddlers, providing ample room for movement and play while still maintaining a snug and cozy feel. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the price? Well, let me tell you, folks, you won't find a better deal anywhere else. At this costume offers unbeatable value for money, especially considering its premium quality and unique design. So, whether you're gearing up for Halloween or simply looking for a cute and comfortable pajama set for your little one, look no further than the Children's Place Baby, Toddler, 2-piece and Kids, sibling matching, Halloween pajama sets. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy shopping!